Hey guys, today I'll tell you how to create your public profile on Snapchat. So, first things first, open your Snapchat application. After opening it up, go to your profile. Go to your profile. After going to your profile, just scroll down a bit to add to spotlight this option. Okay. After clicking on it, just click snap, click on send to, and click on my story public. So what it does is that it creates a public profile of you. So after doing this, just click on send, and yep, this is how you can create a public profile. So just to recheck if your profile has been created as public, what you do is that you go up over here, and then you can see next to my account public profile. So after seeing this, you can just know that you have created a public profile successfully. So these are the steps. Follow this and you can create a public profile. So this was the video. Thanks for watching.